Now, insights that I have gained from the 4 months of checking notebooks. 1 point makes a difference. 1 point makes a lot of difference. Many times, whenever I will see the score, because it is computerized, you're given a laptop which tallies your scores. It's like the because. When I see the score and I see 74, sayang, 1 point na lang. Or I see 74.5, sayang, 0.5 na lang, papasa na yan. I go back, that's why it took me a long time. I go back and see, meron ba akong pwedeng palitan dito? Kahit na 0.5 or kahit na 1 point. And 1 point makes a difference. And which brings me to my second point. If your examiner cannot read what you have written, then your examiner will be severely discouraged from giving you even 1 point or half a point. And believe me, if you're checking the last notebook at 2 o'clock in the morning and you cannot read anymore the handwriting of the person, I think you will be severely discouraged from giving a 1 point, even a half a point to make that person pass, no matter what you want to do. Okay? So, fair warning to those who are taking the bar this year or maybe in the next few years, you still have time to practice writing well. Okay? It does make a difference. I always thought it was just an urban legend that your bad handwriting will determine your passing the bar. It's not. It really determines whether you pass the bar or not, because some examiners don't go back. I did. Every time I would see a 74 or a 73.5 or a 74.5, I would go back and try to give right now 1 point. But again, it's very difficult if you cannot understand the handwriting. Third, expression. The way you express yourself is very, very important. I'm not talking about grammar. I'm not talking about writing in perfect English. I think the best answers I've seen are the most direct answers. They do not have to be in polysyllabic languages, in polysyllabic English. It can be a very direct answer. And I have given full points. I remember giving full points to an answer which was yes, this is the basis, and this is why I am citing this basis. 4 sentences. And it was a correct answer. So it does not need to be a very long answer as long as it is the correct answer. So I think early on you need to get that training in terms of answering a question. And you get that training from reciting in class. So I know it is difficult because when you're reciting in class, it feels like everything is going dark on you, and you see your professor asking you one question after another. But that is exactly what taking the bar is like. Give the answer, give the basis. Give the answer, give the basis. Apply. Give the answer, give the basis. Apply. That's it. So just that 3-stage process will get you to pass the bar. Okay. So if you're checking notebooks and you're tired, your eyes are tired already, then you see an answer that basically just repeats and tries to sound profound, and you have to wade through it just to figure out what is this person saying, then again, you will not be encouraged to even give half a point to make that person pass. On the other hand, if you see that the answer is straightforward, there is an attempt to give a legal basis, even if you do not entirely agree with the legal basis, as long as there is an application of the legal basis to the facts, then you might be encouraged to say, okay, at least I appreciate the reasoning behind this answer, even if I do not agree that it is the right answer. But if I do not understand the reasoning simply because I have to wade through English that has to sound profound or sound lawyerly, then again, you will not be encouraged to give 1 point. Okay? So early on, I think writing like a lawyer or something like a lawyer is overrated. To pass the bar, you just need to give the correct answer. It doesn't matter because the bar examiner does not know you anyway. Does not see your face. So that impression is gone. The only impression that the bar examiner has is your answer. And if your answer, no matter how simple, is the correct answer or is understandable at least to the bar examiner, then you will probably get, if not full points, then maybe a lot of points for that answer. So maybe just a tip for those who are taking the bar soon, and for those who have passed the bar, congratulations. It means that you were able to convince 8 lawyers that your answers made sense, or at least were correct. Okay. So some other takeaways from the bar. Preparation shows. Preparation shows. And you will see that in the answers of students, of those who took the bar. You will see that there are those who are prepared simply because even if they don't know the answer, there is logic to the explanation. They can cite an alternative, or they can actually understand what the question is asking. The worst answers are those that repeat the question and don't give anything. Okay. So I appreciated a lot of the answers. Even if I did not agree that they were the correct answers, I appreciated the logic behind the answers. And so preparation shows. Preparation in the way that you think, in the way that you look at the questions and try to answer the questions. And then maybe the last takeaway from checking the bar and being a bar examiner, being very straightforward, being very clear, okay, in your answers also shows what you know about the law. Because all of us know that the law is difficult to understand. Okay, but if we are able to distill what the law says and express it very clearly, it tells the examiner that this person gets it. Okay? And part of getting it is understanding the question. Many times, when the examinee looks at the question, gives an answer, the answer does not answer the question. The only way to pass the bar is to answer the question. Don't assume, unless you are told to assume. Just answer the question. Okay? In my classes, when I used to teach in UP, and now that I teach in De La Salle, I always give an instruction in my classes. Do not assume facts, do not add facts, do not modify. Answer as it is asked. So if you think that the facts are incomplete, just answer it as if it were complete. Okay, there is a reason why the examiner is asking it. If it looks like estafa, but you say it doesn't, but it's not estafa because there's this element that's missing. So your answer cannot be estafa. So there were many people who insisted that this was the answer when obviously that was not what the examiner was looking for. So part of answering is really understanding the question. So those are the takeaways from being a bar examiner. For those who are taking the bar soon, good luck. Those who have passed the bar, I hope that has affirmed you in the way that you have passed the bar.